Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Today we are going to read chapter 2 of English Standard 5th, The Wise Pigeon. The Wise Pigeon. चैप्टर 1 की रीडिंग हम देख चुके हैं, एक्सप्लेनेशन हम देख चुके हैं, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स रह गए हैं, एक्सरसाइज भी हो चुकी है. क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हम थोड़े बाद में करेंगे, मैं आपको सेंड कर दूंगी. आई विल सेंड यू क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लेटर. चलिए पढ़ते हैं चैप्टर 2 द वाइस पिजन की रीडिंग हम आज करेंगे. इस वीडियो में हम सिर्फ रीडिंग करेंगे पहले की तरह. लेसन 2 द वाइस पिजन. आपको भी मेरे साथ साथ घर पर रीड करना है. वेयर डज ए पिजन लिव? वट वुड यू डू इफ़ योर फ्रेंड डज समथिंग दैट डज नॉट सूट यू? वुड यू ऑल्सो डू द सेम विथ हिम? चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. देयर लिव्ड ए पिजन in a mango tree. The pigeon's family consisted of his wife and two beautiful children. The wings of the children had not yet grown, hence they were not able to fly. Every morning, the pigeon and his wife used to set out in search of food. They used to return before the fall of night. The children were happy to see their parents back home. On the same mango tree, there also lived a monkey named Kalu. He considered himself to be very powerful and so often took up fight with the birds on petty issues. All the birds on the tree were afraid of the monkey. They were in fact sick of him, but none of them could dare to object. One day, Kalu proudly said to the birds, I am the most powerful amongst you. Thus, you have to pay me regards every time you pass my way. The pigeon, who did not like the monkey's haughtiness, said, Brother Kalu, it is not wise to boast. You will get respect if you behave politely. The monkey became furious at the suggestion made by the pigeon. The next evening, the pigeon returned home and found his nest totally destroyed. He was shocked to see his children lying unconscious. Immediately, the pigeon learned who had done all that. He quietly started building his nest all over again. By dawn, the pigeon, leaving his children under the care of his wife, left home for food. By the evening, the pigeon returned home. He came to know that the monkey had been lying on the branch of the mango tree and was moaning in pain the whole day. None of the birds from the mango tree went to him to inquire about his health. The pigeon's wife said, It is really good. This wicked monkey deserves such a punishment. Today he will realize what happens if we trouble others. The pigeon said, You should not talk like this. The monkey is bad, but now he is in trouble and we should help him. The pigeon immediately went to the monkey. He asked him, Why are you mourning, brother? Why are you mourning, brother? The monkey was moved by the concern expressed by the pigeon and he felt ashamed of his behavior. The monkey replied, I have a thorn in my leg and it pains badly. The pigeon pulled out the thorn from his leg. The monkey felt instant relief once the thorn was removed, and he went off to sleep. The next day, all the birds of the tree were pleasantly surprised to see the sudden change in the monkey's behavior. They saw the monkey meeting and chattering nicely with the birds. यहाँ पर आपका चैप्टर एंड होता है. इसके बाद आपको दी है ग्लॉसरी, मतलब वर्ड मीनिंग्स. petty, small and unimportant, dare, to be brave enough to do something, haughty, behaving in an unfriendly way, dawn, The time of the day when light first appears. Moan, a long deep sound showing suffering. Wicked, morally bad. Concern, care for something. Boast, to talk with too much pride. Unconscious, in a state like sleep because of injury. Because of an injury. यहाँ पे आपका चैप्टर एंड होता है। रीडिंग अकेली इसकी हमने आज अपनी वीडियो में कंप्लीट की है। नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देखेंगे और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स चैप्टर 1 के लिखेंगे, कंप्लीट करेंगे। वी विल मीट सून इन अवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो। टिल देन स्टे सेफ, स्टे होम। गुड बाय चिल्ड्रन। थैंक यू सो मच टू ज्वाइन द क्लास।